Fertilizer manufacturing plays a vital role in modern agriculture by providing the essential nutrients that improve soil fertility, increase crop yields, and support sustainable food production. Producing high-quality fertilizers requires precise formulation, efficient process control, strict quality management, and complete traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of fertilizer manufacturing while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From formulation management, raw material procurement, and bill of materials to batch production planning, process manufacturing, quality assurance, inventory management, packaging, warehousing, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced batch production planning enables manufacturers to optimize equipment utilization, monitor material consumption, schedule production efficiently, and maintain consistent product quality. Real-time production tracking